Now I'll tell a little bit about our distribution of our product, how we get it to market. So what we decided to do is take our product directly with our own trucks and get them to different parts of the state. We start here in Chico, all the way to the border, Southern California, and that's our distribution area. We take our product, our own trucks, and be sure it gets with our control into the different stores within that distribution area. So here's our facility in Woodbury, California. The way we're able to control our quality is we have different depots with different expert personnel within the different areas delivering to the products within their area. We have one in Santa Rosa, Marin, Sacramento, Chico, Sacramento, Reno, Stockton, Fresno, and Southern California. Each individual manager within the area is able to take the product, analyze his own market, be store specific with what they want to do in terms of the products, the distribution, the communication with the store, and we're able to really maximize our relationship with the store and be sure we have the best information, best product going out to the stores.